Over 120 young African leaders are meeting calling for resource mobilization towards sexual reproductive health, rights, education, and staying afloat economically amid external budget cuts.
I expect at the end of this meeting for the young people to have a voice, to have ideas, to have capacity to be able to work together, raise funding, discuss about sexual rights, all these issues that affect them, but also to see governments taking up more of the decisions based on the advice from the young people.
So we need to work together as teams, as organizations, as government, as development partners to be able to address the challenges around sexual reproductive health and rights for young people.
The Commissioner in charge of Youth and Children Affairs in the Ministry of Gender, Monica Chatzky, tasked youth leaders to inspire a new generation of Africans who produce within the available resources in order to raise a much more productive population.
If we prioritize investment in sexual reproductive health and rights, we shall find the resources. It's a question of squeezing in one area and putting money where we feel the priorities are. And so the money can be found.
The organizers, Plan International and Forum for African Women Educationists, believe youth can drive the positive change they need to fund critical services amid shrinking donor funding.
What we are seeing is that service delivery for young people, for instance in health facilities, that was dependent on donor aid is getting affected, especially in humanitarian settings.
As young people, my call to you will be, can you get interested in the policies that are available for anything that concerns you? Check what are the gaps from the service delivery side. What are some of the services you envisage to have but are not getting?
The youth will make a co-created declaration on shared priorities, policy recommendations to their governments.
This workshop, the theme is talking about beyond the funding gaps. We realize that even without the funding gaps, without the funds that kept coming, we as Africans, what is it that we can do? And I feel that this is an opportunity that as African countries we can come together and discuss what is it that we can do without the funding, what is it that we can do without the support.
Some of the participants explain their expectations.
We are no longer depending on funding from outside the country. And I urge you, the government, to invest more in survivors of childhood sexual violence.